Assalamu alaikum. We are going to discuss on the topic of how to control the violence at the workplaces. In the last lecture, we have studied about violence at the work. We define the term violence at work in a brief manner, and today we are going to discuss on control measures of violence at the workplaces. The first step in managing the violence at workplaces, that is violence risk, and should be controlled by finding the exact nature of the violence. Anecdotal evidence is most appropriate way to find out the nature of violence, but its scale and nature may not be clear. The extent of the problem can be achieved or could be investigated by the following methods, that is collecting and analyzing the nature of the violence in form of incident reports and interviewing staff formally and informally. Survey staffs and enforcements could also be considered in this regard. It will then be possible to identify the causes of the risk, violence risk at the workplaces, and then be implemented the correct preventive measures, which will be different depending upon the work nature and personality personalities at the workplaces. But usually in general, two distinctive strategies are used at the workplaces, that are preventive measures at a central office. Number one, zero tolerance policy and prosecution of offenders. Number two, security staff. Number three, CCTV cameras. Number four, security doors between public areas and staff areas. Number six is minimizing queues and awaiting times, and then clear announcements about waiting times, training for staff, for example, providing a good quality service, diffusing aggression, screens between staff and public, panic alarms, creating a pleasant environment. And there are some preventing measures for the staff whose duty is to conducting home visits. For them, there are also some preventive measures because they could also face violence related risk, and their preventive measures are as number one, no loan working or no loan working in a certain high risk areas. The next is keeping records of past incidents and vetting customers. The next is visit logging with the supervisor, pre and post visit telephone calls, training for staff, for example, loan working procedures, break away techniques, always having a means of communication, for example, mobile phone or walkie talkie, no visits after dark, parking in secure areas, and not carrying cash or valuables because these things carry usually risk of robbery. These were basically the preventing measures for risk violence related risk at the workplaces. We described two distinctive strategies to save the worker from the violence related risk. In the next lecture, we would select on new topic. The people who are new on my channel are requested to subscribe my channel for daily updated videos for NIBOSH IG1 and IG2 units. Thank you so much.